Hi students, hope all are fine and safe at your home. In the last class we had started our 8th chapter. The chapter name is Let's Make Our Presentations Impressive. And in this chapter we are studying about the presentations. How to take a class or how to present a topic using our presentation software. So which is our presentation software here? Yes, LibreOffice Impress. LibreOffice Impress. So we can take about or we can take a class about a topic using some presentations. That is the meaning of presentation software. Now, we are using a software called LibreOffice Impress, and I had already told you it comes under Office package, right? So there are so many softwares in Office package, as we had already studied LibreOffice Writer, LibreOffice Calc, and also this LibreOffice Impress included in this package. So let us study how to open this software. We had already studied about it. First you have to go to application, then you can see Office package. Here you can see LibreOffice Impress. Click on that. So you just close this window. Now you can see, you can click here and you can change the title. I had already told you in the last class, you can click here and you can change the contents and all. Before that, if you want to change the background color here it is white, right? If you want to change the background color, what you have to do, at the right side you can see properties window, this one, click on this properties window, and here you can see background, click on that, and you just click on color or anything. You can choose any pattern or color. Here I am going to choose the color. Automatically it is light blue, the background is changed. If you want to change this light blue to any other color, you can choose here. Okay, I have chosen yellow color. Now the background is yellow color. Okay, so likewise you can change. So if you want to change the background, you have to do it first, right? After doing the background only, you have to change this, click to add title, click to add text, and so first you have to change the background and do other things. Okay, otherwise this option will not be here. Okay, now I am going to give a title, um, just a title. Or else we'll do our subject titles. This is just an example, right? Now so we'll list out some tools here. Okay, that's enough. Okay, now so this is how to change the background. Okay, now suppose if you want to insert a picture in this slide, we had already studied about it. Do you remember? Yes. So here you can see an option called insert image at the top toolbar. Click on that and you just select any picture. Okay, here I'm going to choose a picture and click on open button. Now the picture is open, but what is the problem here? It is in front of the text which we have already written. Okay, ഈ പിക്ചർ നമ്മൾ മുമ്പ് എഴുതിയിരിക്കുന്ന ടെക്സ്റ്റിൻ്റെ മുകളിലാണ്. സോ വി കാൺട്ട് റീഡ് ദ ടെക്സ്റ്റ്. നമുക്ക് അതിലെഴുതിയിരിക്കുന്ന ടെക്സ്റ്റ് കാണാൻ പറ്റില്ല. യു ജസ്റ്റ് ലുക്ക് അറ്റ് ദ സ്ക്രീൻ. മുമ്പ് എഴുതിയിരിക്കുന്ന ടെക്സ്റ്റ് കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല. സോ വാട്ട് യു ഹാവ് ടു ഡു, യു ഹാവ് ടു സെൻഡ് ബാക്ക് ദിസ് പിക്ചർ. ഇതിന് പുറകിലോട്ട് സെൻഡ് ചെയ്യണം. സോ വാട്ട് യു ഹാവ് ടു ഡു, യു ജസ്റ്റ് റൈറ്റ് ക്ലിക്ക് ഓൺ ദ പിക്ചർ, and here you can see an option called arrange. In that you can see send to back option. Click on that. Now you can read out what is written here, right? Line tool, segment tool, angle tool, and so on. So if you want to change the color, you can change the color. All this formatting can be done, I have already told you. Okay, line tool or any other color likewise. Okay, now so we had studied how to send back a picture to the text. Okay, now we are going to study about how to add a new slide. So please tell me how we can add a new slide. So in order to add a new slide, here you can see an option called at the top menu bar, you can see slide. Click on that, and here you can see new slide. Click on that. So now a new slide is added. Again, if you want to change the background, you can go to properties and change the background. Select any color, choose any color you like, and okay, here also you can type something whatever you like. Okay, so angle tool, used to measure angle, something like that. Okay, again one more time I will show you how to change the background, how to add a new slide. Here you can see slide at the menu bar. Click on that and click on new slide. So you will get a new slide. If you want to change the background, again click on this properties window, and change the color and change a suitable color. That's all. Okay, now if you want to change the layouts, I will show you. Here, what do you mean by layout? What is the layout of this slide? Yes, you can see here at the top you can add a title, and at the bottom you can add some contents. Okay, now I am going to change the layout of this slide. So how? Again, go to properties window at the right side, and at the bottom you can see here layouts. So there are so many layouts. I'm going to choose this one so you can see the difference. So to view it clearly, I'll choose the white color. Now I am going to choose this one, title and two content. Can you see here? You can type a title here, and you can type it content here, and here also contents. So there are two boxes. So I'm going to type tools in comparison of line and segment, something like that. So here you can type line tool, and here also you can type the other one, segment tool, and you can continue writing like here. Okay, so that's up to you. You can type something here, you can type something here. so you can make comparisons. Like, so this is one another layout here. Likewise, you can choose any other layouts here. Okay, here you can choose some other layouts like this. So this is another layout. There are 3 boxes to type, so you can type here something, you can type here something, you can type here something. According to your need, you can type here. Suppose, likewise, suppose here you want to, okay, that's it. Now if you want to, I'll add one more slide and I'll show you. Here I am going to select this layout, and you just type something like this, anything. You just type here text, here also text, and here in this box, if you want to insert an image, you can click here insert image, and you just select a picture and click open button. Now in that box you can select a picture. So these are the different ways of implementing the slides, and different ways you can select the layouts. So these layouts are very useful tool. Okay, here you can see there are so many layouts. Okay, so what all things we had studied in today's class: how to change the background. Here you can select the background, just select color and choose appropriate color from here. Okay, then how to include a new slide. You can see a slide option in the menu bar and click on new slide. Now you can see new slide. If you want to change the layout, you can see here in this properties window. Okay, in this properties window you can see all these things. Okay, you can choose any layouts up to you. Okay, and so these are the things we had studied. Now if you want to see this as a slideshow means if you're going to present this to in front of a class without seeing all these menu bar and all these properties, you want to see only these slides. This single rectangle box is known as a slide. This yellow color single rectangle box is known as slide. Whatever things we had typed or we had prepared is known as a slide. So how many slides are there here? 1, 2, 3. You can see here that slide 3, slide 4, slide 5, slide 6. We have created 6 slides, and we need to see only these slides. Only these slides. We don't want to see any of these toolbars, so we are using an option called slideshow. Can you see here slideshow in the menu bar? Slideshow. Click on that, and you can see an option called start from first slide. Click on that. Now you can see only the slides which we had prepared. Now you just click on the next button in your keyboard, the arrow key. Now you can see the next slide. Again click on the arrow button in the keyboard. You can see the next slide, again next slide, and next slide. Likewise, you can present your topics like this. So this is, and if you want to come out of this slideshow, ഈ സ്ലൈഡ് നിന്ന് നമുക്ക് പുറത്തു വരണമെങ്കിൽ you can click on escape button in the keyboard, escape key in the keyboard. Okay, so this is a very useful software, dear students. Just study about all these things. This is very useful for your future classes. So I hope I had completed this chapter 2. All the activities are done. So I hope this is very clear to you. You can clear the doubts in the Google Meet. So thank you very much, my dear students.